Hello, welcome back to the farm. Today I will be giving you the full farm tour. Except for just the chickens and goats, I'll be showing you all over the house. Today is freezing. Well, not very freezing, but freezing for here. It is 44 degrees out. So, here we go. Here's the duckies, the Welsh Harlequin ducks. It's a male, obviously. Rest are females. The other three died, and I had to get a new one, and I had a bunch more females, but they died. Here is our meat turkey. Just need to get her on some meat food. And there's some silky chickens. There's Black right there, Kitty, and that's one of my brother's Lavender Arcanas. And I have a little surprise for you all. I have some baby silkies. Few that are a few weeks old, a few that are only a few days old. So let's take a look down in there. Here we go. There's one little guy. Hello. The itty bitty things. Uh oh. Went black out. Well, that's a silky. That's the silky. That's where the silkies are going right for now. And hopefully I'll be getting some turkeys, and they'll be going in this thing. You may be wondering, well, if there's nothing in here, why is the light on? Well, we like to keep it on so when we do go put something in here, it's nice and warm and it's already like nice and warm in the shed. We have them in the shed because because we're renovating our garage, which is right there. Which is right there. Renovating that part over 2 bedrooms, and then further that way, further up there that way, we're building a new garage. There's the turkey. Oh, there we go. The smaller ones are about like a few days old. Those bigger ones are just a few weeks old. So, little cuties. Itty bitty cuties. So, there we go. Here's the shed. Everything's in the shed. Yes, we do have 2 bags of chick feed open. There's our chick stuff. We have a few more things that we need to clean from last time. But, yep. Bee stuff. We do have honeybees, but it's out at neighbor's place right now because we don't have the time to take care of them right now because my sister is in the hospital with a trach. She's coming home Monday, luckily. But we're just really busy with that, and we can't. So we're probably gonna get them next. We're probably gonna give them back next year. So stay in tune for that, or a whole bee documentary type thing. Let's look at everything. These are wood chips. I like the big wood chips because last time I tried the fine, unless they're like really itty bitty things, like get up close. I like these big things right here, like this. I don't really like the fine. They're like, let me see if I can find the itty bitty piece. They're like this because they like to eat the fine things, unless they're like itty bitty quail or guinea. Guineas eat that stuff, so not really guineas, but quail. If I had quail, I'll probably use the fine. Here you go. Here we go again. Some older ones. So stay in tune for all this progress. We are now in the chicken coop. There's some toms. The brown ones are mine, if you didn't catch it when I said it last. The brown ones are mine. The gray ones are my dad's. The gray ones are called Argansets. If you didn't hear that, Argansets. And if you didn't know this, those are toms right over there. And that's a tom right there, just because it has smooth all the way. But there's a Berlin right here. I have 2 males. Gobble, gobble. See? Here it is in. Really? Here's in the chicken coop. Here are the other nesting boxes. We're gonna have to rebuild these guys because they're not very good. We're gonna be taking these ones out. There's nobody uses these ones. And I may try shipping silkies or turkeys or ducks. So leave a comment if you want one. Then I'll see if I can get back to you, and I'll leave my address. But if you are a scammer, don't try it because my dad's cybersecurity. So yeah. My dad has 4 or 5 toms right now. There's my male turkey. Why don't you puff up? Puff up! Come on. If you didn't know this, younger toms are called jocks or jacks. I don't really know the term. I call them jocks. And bigger toms are males, male turkeys, but bigger toms are called toms. That's a jock or jock, jack or jock. That is just a normal tom. And normal. Oh, there we go. There we go. See that? And normal. Shut up. Normal hen turkeys are just called hens. So there's your science and all that into turkeying. There's some turkeys, some chickens. See if I can try on him. Hey, you're too hard. That's Blizzard. Nice one. So far. Here's in the chicken. Oh, not the chicken. The silky coop. Duck egg. Pile of duck eggs over there. Trying to get them to lay on them. There's our meat turkey. I'm gonna build like a little enclosure. I had an idea. But I don't think I will be able to do that. Here we go. This is one of the things that we need to clean. And there is a silky. You see if she has any babies under her. Nope. No baby. This is just stinky, disgusting egg. It needs to be thrown out right now. So let's go throw it. Here's one of the chick coops I built. Another one. Brand new barn. Check this guy. Oh, blew up. Can't really see it too awesome. We'll be getting over there soon. Here is the goat pen. I haven't used that guy for a while. But I use this guy a lot. We're getting a brand new John Deere, so be staying tuned for that. I'll be hopefully be filming that. If I don't, I'm sorry. But here are the goats. Happy goats, goaty goats. Denali and Kenai. Yeah, Denali and Kenai, the stinky boys, have a magic trick so they don't rub their heads on me. The heads have scent glands and they get you really stinky. But weirdly, but for some reason, these girls over there really like it, that smell. So what I do is grab that broom, extend it away from me like this, and let me grab it and show you to get a better idea. Hold it up like this, and they'll rub this and leave me alone. So that's the wonders of having a broom. So stack that. We have a ton of concrete. And look at all them. So let's get to work. I need to move fast because I need to take a walk. I'm gonna have school today. Yeah. Leave a comments down below if you liked school when you were a kid, or if you were a kid, or teenager. Leave a comment down below to see if you like school. And comment down below what your favorite subject of school is. Besides recess, if you go to public school. Like my favorite subject is math or science, one of them two, or history. Actually, history is probably my third. Math, history, math, science, and history. Oops. Here are them goaty goats. Hey goaty. That's Kodiak, Kinley. One of those two are Sue. That's Willow, Dusty back there, and that is Juno. Stop jumping on me. Okay, let's go and get this open. You normally have to use two hands, but today, for your guys, well, actually, a little spot back here. Probably put you. Hold on. Yep. See me? Good. There we go. See if anybody wants to nibble. It's just a camera. He was out of the camera. See? Camera. Was out of the camera. Yeah, that's Dusty right there. Well, we have like 4 or 5 unnamed goats. Let me see if I can point them out. That one right there. Here. You can't see it too awesome. So that one right there is not named. It's black with a little bit of brown. That one is not named. And that one is not named right there. So we have 3 that are not named. So post down below if you have any good names for them. So here's the goat herd. There's the boys. Let's go get some hay. It's kind of hard having just one hand. I'm thinking about grabbing a tripod, big one. I'm gonna have to set this down. Okay, we're back. Filled up the hay thing. Let's go let out the boys. To move fast before it gets really warm out. Let me show you. Grab the broom, open it up, hold out here, and they all go chasing. Put it down for a second. At least they used to do it. Here, let me put it over here. Oh my gosh. At least they... Oh, yeah, that's working. There we go. See ya later. I am here at the Silky Coop. Look how good it is looking. Oh, that's not looking good, but that's looking good. I just need to paint it. I'm gonna get this whole side done, paint it blue, and this side's gonna get done, and this side's gonna be blue. But the house is green. I was gonna try to get Seahawks colors, because Seahawks are my favorite team. But so this is where the blues are gonna be, and over there is where the Rick's colors are gonna be. This right here. Under there is where the food is gonna be, and possibly water. And up here is gonna be where some water is too. Here is the shed for, well, not the shed. Here is the greenhouse. It's full of non-greenhousey things, but here it is. And out to the garden. It's the end of the year. It's October. It's like October 5th right now. But here's the garden. Looked much better. But here we are. Hey, look at all them seeds right there. I'm gonna grab a few. Yeah. There you go. So we were looking down at the ground, but broccoli, tomatoes, potatoes, Swiss chards over there. Get closer. This is Swiss chard. We need to pick that. Oh, I forgot all about these carrots. Let's pick some carrots so I don't. Why don't we? Carrot. Oh, shoot. Oh, you know, snapped off. It's a bad carrot. That's a snapped carrot. Let's go look over here. Sorry if you're looking at the ground and not at plants, but here's some chickens. All different breeds. These hens are for sale, so if you want, besides for she and the roosters, but the rest are for sale. They're very good chickens. Lay awesome. So, yeah. I'll post down in the comments how you pull up carrots, because I just try to grab them and pull up, but they don't do so awesome. Oops, zoomed in too much. These guys are called low bush tomatoes. These are good, they're sweet, and I do not like tomatoes. These guys are awesome. I wonder if we can make a jam out of these. potatoes right here. Not as many potatoes as we want, but these are potatoes. These are yams, I believe, and a onion, and some lettuce. I don't know why it's over here. It's supposed to be over there. So here's the other side of everything. Over there is our neighbor's place. This is neighbor's place. Brand new Transit. We've had it for like a month. We're selling that guy. You know, the goatees. Zoom in. Denali and Kinley. Denali and Kenai right there. There are the rest of the goatees. So, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, post them down in the comments. Please subscribe if you haven't. If I haven't said it again. If I haven't said it, I'm going to say it again. Please subscribe and there will be a little bell. Press the little bell icon that's on the top. So you're notified every time I upload. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Hopefully.